afternoon, I'm Eneida Quintero, and today we're going to learn the basic about how to create a sentence diagram. So our topic for today is sentence diagram. Diagram is not an assignment to design to torture students. It is basically a puzzle. Once we understand who sentence works, what's going on, what action is taking place, who is doing it, and to who is being done, it is harder to write a correct one. Diagramming sentence has tremendous value for a student of English grammar. Putting all the words of a sentence on a diagram forces learners to identify the logical connection between different parts of the sentence. Sentence makes sense. Diagramming the sentence lays the logic of the sentence bare and reveal any problem. But what is a sentence diagram? Well, a sentence diagram is a visual representation of the word and parts of the sentence. It is important to know that every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Having it clear, let's start with the easy beginner. To diagram a sentence, we start with a horizontal line that represents the sentence. Then we add a vertical line that separates for the subject from the predicate. The subject goes to the left of the vertical line. The subject tells what the sentence is about, and the predicate goes to the right side of the vertical line. The predicate said something about the subject. Here we have simple examples. In this case, we have she snores. We identify our subject here. Our subject here is she. And we place it in the left side of our vertical line and snores as a predicate or verb that is placed on our right side of our vertical line. Then we can find understood subject as you see. In this case, we have sit as an example. As you realize, we don't have a subject. In this case, we must write the subject you in parentheses and sit in capital letter is placed on the right side of our vertical line and in capital letter because in the sentence you doesn't appear. If we have more than one word, as you see, must wanna practice. In this case, wanna is our subject and it is placed in our left side of our vertical line and must practice as a predicate of verb. It is placed in our right side of our vertical line. But what happens if we have more than one subject and predicate? We have example for understanding it. For example, my cat and my dog ate and slept. In this case, we create our diagram in our left side for our subject. Our subject are cat and dog. We place it and we create a diagonal line for our word who describing or modify our subject, in this case, mine. And our conjunction and is placed into the triangle. In our right side, we create another one for placing our predicate or verbs. In this case, we have two, ate and slept. And our conjunction into the triangle. Notice the conjunction is reading inside the dotted line, right? It is important to identify the subject and predicate in a sentence and create a good diagram sentence. Remember, it makes sense. Also, you can find many tools on the internet for practicing your diagrams or analyzing the sentence. Here, I recommend you this website that I will add in the description. You can enter it and start practice. Thank you and see you for the next class.